In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the checkbox field in Airtable. The checkbox field is one of the simplest, most reliable ways to mark a record as yes or no, done or not done. It's perfect when you want a clear, unambiguous signal that something has been completed or approved without adding extra complexity. First, head to Airtable and sign in to your account. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table where you want to work. Pick the place that actually needs a quick yes or no indicator, maybe a tasks table, a content pipeline, or a simple tracker. Next, add a new field or edit an existing one. If you're creating a new field, give it a clear, action-oriented name like done, approved, reviewed, or needs follow-up. Good naming makes it obvious what checking the box means and prevents confusion later. In the field type options, choose Checkbox. This tells Airtable to store a simple true or false value. No partial states, no extra text. Just a clean binary answer. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Create Field or Save, depending on whether you added a new one or converted an existing field. Airtable will add the field right away, and you'll see a new column with empty boxes. Now click any cell in that checkbox column. An empty box means not yet. Click once to check it, and the record updates instantly. Click again to uncheck it if you need to revert. That's all there is to toggling the value. Because it's so fast, the checkbox is great for quick, low-effort updates that reduce ambiguity during busy workflows. If you're converting an existing field into a checkbox, take a moment afterward to scan a few records and confirm the values look right. Conversions can change how data is stored, so a quick review helps ensure your table still says exactly what you intend. You can always rename or move the column later, so it sits next to related fields like due dates or owners. Use checkboxes to track tasks, status, or completed items. For example, mark a task as complete, indicate that a contact has been verified, confirm a shipment was packed, or signal that a review is finished. Checkboxes shine when the answer is a simple yes or no. If your process needs multiple distinct states, like in progress or blocked, consider reserving the checkbox for final confirmation and handling stages elsewhere to keep signals clear. And that's it. You've gone from opening Airtable to adding a checkbox field and confidently updating records with a single click. Keep your labels clear, keep your clicks consistent, and let the checkbox keep your workflow moving.